Hello everyone, it's me again Edmund and welcome back to a new tutorials that it could help for us, especially for Windows great features that nobody is aware of it. In this video, I'll show you how to enable storage scenes on Windows 11, what it is and how it works. Storage scenes can automatically free drive space for you by getting rid of items that you don't need, like temporary files and items on your recycle bin. And guys, one of the best recommended option is using the storage scenes feature. So guys, let's proceed. On your Windows 11 start button, just right click on it and select settings. On top, select system and then scroll down and select this storage, and here the system storage. Scroll down again and you can see the storage management, and now here the storage scenes, just turn it on. And guys, before we end this video, I'll give you some informations how storage scenes works. If storage scenes is turning on, when the default settings, it will run when your device low on disk space. It will clean up unnecessary temporary files. Content from the recycle bin will be deleted by default after some times, but items on your downloads folder in OneDrive or other cloud provider will not be touched unless you set up storage scenes to do so. So guys, this is the very simple tricks and simple tutorials regarding the Windows 11's how to enable these storage scenes. One of the best great features on Windows 11's, and hope you will learn again in this very simple tutorials. And if you are new in my channel, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and click the bell notifications to update upcoming more videos and tutorials. Thank you guys, and I'll see you in my next vlogs.